Good morning and welcome back to your favorite class, and that is arts class. Yeah, exactly, you're right. So here we are with an amazing thing to be make on. Yes, you guessed it right. We are here to make a graduation cap. Have you ever heard about graduation cap? That is a cap when you are done with your class of any class, whether it's KG, it's early years, it's at advanced, whatever your class is, when you pass it, they give you the graduation caps to hold it on and a beard to gown. But we are going to make the graduation cap. I was not having red and green color. They both colors are not available with me. So I am going to use them green and brown. I will make a hat of this and I will make crown like a standing of this chart. So all you need is two chart papers, UHU, a scissor, and a ribbon. Okay, let me show you how to cut. I need a pencil. Where is the pencil? See, I am going to put the chart here. Right now, I am not using scale, but I'm going to use this tester in place of scale and make a complete square. I think I should have to make a big one, big one. Let me two from this side. Top it, man. Two from this side. And then we are gonna do two from this side. I think so. It is a complete square. I am going to cut in. It is a square, okay? It is a square of green color. What we are gonna do is we will take this, we will cut it in half. It is also in a rectangle shape, but I need the smaller rectangle. So I'm going to cut it to pieces. Now we will join them like this. Okay? You can use UHU for this purpose because without that, nothing is able to. Join them together. Press for a while. Okay? It is stuck. This is a hat, and you have to now paste on this chart like this. Again, we will take the help of UHU. I will show you. Wait. Look, I'm trying to fix it well. Let it dry because you need to make it dry. You can make more smaller rectangle. Still, it is bigger, but it is good if someone's head is big. You have to spread the UHU on the edge of or on its page on a chart paper and stick it well. You can have the ribbon with you. Tie the ribbon here. See, I'm tying it. I will show you. Make a knot. And your graduation cap is ready. Look, a square, then a circle before that rectangle, circle. See, this is your graduation cap. What we did, we made a graduation cap. And things we need is chart papers, any color, it's up to you. UHU, scissors, and a ribbon. This is all you need for the graduation cap. Okay, class? The cap is ready. You can make it flowery. I have an idea also. Wait. Till the time I'm hanging it here. You can see it. I am bringing something. Okay. Wait. I have brought this crepe paper. I'm going to give it a look because the ribbon is not worthy, I think so. I'm going to make a crisscross. For that, I need a stapler. Wait, class, wait, I need a stapler. I'm coming. So I got the stapler. What I'm doing is from here till there. This can be knotted with the ribbon as well. And look now, the look has been changed. It is now looking nice. I am done with my graduation cap. Hope you will like the lecture. Take care of you. Allah Hafiz.